Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's begin with some customization, and in order to do that, just tap on the settings, and here we have to choose the display and brightness. And as you can see, on the third position we've got eye comfort mode, so in order to turn it on right now, just tap on the switcher next to it. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish. It is in order to filter the blue light. Now in order to customize this mode, just tap on eye comfort, and here we've got some options to personalize. First of all, we can decide if you want to set this mode always on, so your device will always use this mode. What's more, under it we've got the schedule time option. Just tap on the switcher here to turn it on, and here we've got the start time and end time, so we can tap on it and by swiping choose the start time and end time, so it means that your device will automatically turn on and off this eye comfort mode. But let me turn it off, and under it we've got the screen color temperature option, so here we can adjust the intensity of that feature just by swiping. It's up to you how you want to set it, cooler or warmer, it's really up to you. And under it we've got the display effects. Now we've got the colors, so the screen is yellow, but you will be able to still see the colors. Let's go to the home screen and check our wallpaper. As you can see, here we can see the colors. Let me get back to the options, and we can set the black and white option. After tapping and marking it, let's get back, and as you can see, our wallpaper is not as colorful as it was. Let me get back and let's set the color. And actually this is the whole customization of this mode. Now let's get back and let me show you how to have much faster access to this feature. Simply unroll the top bar. And let's find the eye comfort icon, it's right here. Now it is obviously turned on. In order to turn it off, just tap on it. And as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. So that's all. This is how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.